Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a layered achievement showcase panel using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas to display multiple achievement badges. First, I select the custom shape tool and draw circular shapes as the base for each badge. Then I duplicate them, slightly move the duplicates backward, and darken them to create depth. After that, I add small star or ribbon custom shapes on top of each badge for decoration. Now I carefully align badges in rows and columns for a clean display. Next, I zoom in and refine edges and corner radius for a smooth look. Then I apply subtle drop shadows to lift each badge softly. After this, I adjust colors to differentiate unlocked and locked achievements.